So the next problem say that from the given figure, if x is to y is equals to 3 is to 7. So x is to y is equals to 3 is to 7. Then the values of a and z they are asking. A and z values. Just observe that given figure. Here AB and CD, those two are intersecting lines. So which means here this is that intersecting point, no? So at that intersecting point, here total angle is equals to 360, we know that. But here if you consider that only AB is a straight line, then here this total angle is equals to 180 degrees. Yes or no? So here x plus y is equals to 180 degrees. But here what condition they given here? X is to y is equals to their ratio of the angles. Sum of the angles we know that x and y both also lies on that same side of a straight line. That's why here x plus y is equals to 180 degrees. But here what they given? The angles between the angles x and y are in the ratio 3 is to 7. Okay. Now see that let the angle be A. Let the angle be some A. So here x is equals to 3A, y is equals to 7A. Okay. So here sum of the angles, these two angles is equals to 180 degrees now. So 3A plus 7A is equals to 180 degrees. So which is equals to 10A is equals to 180 degrees. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So A is equals to 18 degrees. So let the angle be P. So here what is that? X is equals to 3P, y is equals to 7P. Okay. So here what is that angle? Those two angles also lies at that same side of a straight line. So here x plus y is equals to 180 degrees and here x plus y is equals to 180 degrees means 3P plus 7P is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. So 3P plus 7P is equals to 10P which is equals to 180 degrees. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled or 10 18s 180. Now here P is equals to 18 degrees. So P is equals to what is that value? 18 degrees. Now here what are those two angles? X is equals to 3P. So which is equals to 3 into 18. So which is equals to 18 3 is 54 degrees. Next y is equals to 7P. So 7 into 18. So 18 7s are how much? 126. Okay. So here what is that total angle? 126 plus 54 is equals to 180 degrees. Is it clear? Now what they are asking? What are the values of A and Z? Now we know that here x is equals to we got that 54 degrees and here y is equals to we got that 126 degrees. Okay, x is equals to 54 and y is equals to 126. Now here just observe that these two angles are vertically opposite angles. A and y are vertically opposite angles. So y is equals to 126, that's why A is also equals to 126 degrees. Next, what about that z? Here x and z are also vertically opposite angles, no? That's why here x is equals to z. Okay, so x is equals to 54 degrees. So z is also equals to 54 degrees. Okay, so which option is correct? A is equals to 126 and B is z is equals to 54 degrees. So option 2 is correct here. So next problem, what is that? From the given figure, if C is equals to 28 degrees, what is that? C is equals to 28 degrees already they given. So by observing this figure, this is C is equals to 28 degrees. Then the value of A plus B plus P plus Q. So we need to find that what is the sum of the angles A plus B plus P plus Q. Okay. So here C is equals to 28 degrees. That's why R is also equals to 28 degrees. These two angles are equal now here. Okay. Now just we have to say that one thing. What is that? Actually here we have that three lines passing through the same point. Three lines passing through that same point. So at that point this total angle is equals to 360 degrees. Right? We know that at a point total angle is equals to 360 degrees. Clear? Already they given that these two angles, no? Okay, C and R angles already we know that. Now what they are asking here, what is the sum of the angles A, B, P, Q? Those sum they are asking, that's why 360 degrees minus, okay, what is this two? R plus C angles. So 360 degrees minus R plus C is equals to 28 plus 28 degrees. Okay, so 360 degrees is minus 28 plus 28 is equals to 56 degrees. Clear? So here 360 degrees minus 56, which is equals to 304 degrees. Okay, so which option is correct? Here answer is 304. Okay, why? Because total angle A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R, this total angle is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, but they are asking that what is the sum of A plus B and P plus Q only. Already they given that C plus R, no. That's why we have to subtract that R plus C angles we need to subtract. Then only we will get that the sum of A and B and P and Q angles. Okay. So what is that answer? Answer is 304 degrees. So here what is the next one? Next 8th question. If A minus B is equals to, the difference between two angles is 20 degrees given, then the value of A and B are. So here we have to find that A and B angles. Okay, just observe that here AOX is a straight line. So here this total angle is equals to 180 degrees. So if you add that to these two angles, then you will get that 180 degrees now. So what is that? A plus B is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because we know that. Okay, so here take this one as equation number 1. Okay, and which equation they given? Given that A minus B is equals to, what is that? 20 degrees. So the difference of the, when you add that those two angles, here the resultant is 180. We know that. Why? Because those two forms here a straight angle. Okay, which condition they given here? A minus B, the difference of two angles is equals to 20 degrees. Now what are those two angles? So here while solving that equation number 1 and 2, so what is that? A plus B is equals to 180 degrees. Next here A minus B is equals to 20 degrees. So take the difference, plus B and minus B gets cancelled. So here 2A is equals to 180 plus 20 is equals to 200 degrees. So here A is equals to 2 ones and 2 hundreds. So here A is equals to 100. Now by using that A is equals to 100, we can find that what is the value of A now. So what is that? A plus B is equals to 180 degrees. So take that condition. So here A is equals to 100 plus B is equals to 180 degrees. So B is equals to 180 degrees minus 100. So B is equals to 80 degrees. So what are those two angles here? A is equals to 100 degrees and B is equals to 80 degrees. So just observe that 100 minus 80 is equals to 20. What condition they given? That is satisfying. Next, 80 plus 100 is equals to 180. Which condition we know that? That is also satisfying. So what are those two angles? A is equals to 100 and B is equals to 80 degrees. Okay, that is the correct option. Okay, let us see the next question. So see the next one. If an angle x degrees is equal to supplement, then the angle is. Okay, so the given angle is a supplement they are saying. So supplement means what? Those two angles are equal. First condition they are saying that those two angles should be equal. Here two angles are there. So let the angles be x. Then those two are equal angles. Okay. Those two angles sum is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because they are saying that those two angles sum is supplementary. Supplementary means each angle is a supplement to each other. Come to that pairs of angles. In that one already we discussed no supplementary angles. So supplementary angles means sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees. Then each angle is a supplement to another one. Okay, each angle is supplement to each other. Okay. So sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degrees, and one more condition they are saying, if an angle x degrees is equal to supplement. Equal to supplement means those two angles should be equal. Okay, so here 2x is equals to, what is that? 2x is equals to 180 degrees. So x is equals to 180 degrees by 2. So 290 is 180. So x is equals to 90 degrees. So here what we have to find? So x is equals to 90 degrees. Which option is correct? Okay. So what is that first one? 1 by 3 or 1/3 of right angle. So 1/3 of right angle means 1/3 of right angle is equals to 90 degrees. So 3 ones, 3 30s. So what is that first angle here? That is 30 degrees angle. Next, 1/4 of straight angle. So 1/4 of straight angle is equals to, straight angle is equals to 180 degrees. So 4 ones 4 and here 180 degrees is equals to 4 fours 16 and 4 fives, which means 445 degrees. So 1/4 of straight angle is equals to 45 degrees. And here 1/4 of complete angle, which means 1/4 of complete angle is equals to 360 degrees. So 4 ones 4 nines 36, which means 490 degrees. So 1/4 of complete angle is equals to 90 degrees. Let us see that another option also. 2/5 of right angle. So 2/5 of right angle is equals to 90 degrees. Okay. So 5 ones and here 5 into how much is equals to 90 degrees? 5 14s. Another option, that is 2/5 of right angle. So 2 by 5 into right angle is equals to 90 degrees. So 5 ones 5. 5 into how much is equals to 90? That is 5 18s. Okay, 18 5 is 90. So 18 2s is equals to 36 degrees. Now which answer we got here? X is equals to 90 degrees. After simplifying that each and every option, which option angle is equals to 90 degrees? Yes, obviously that is 1/4 of a complete angle. Okay, so which answer is correct here? Option 3.